Hi there. By now we all know that the Elementor containers feature is so amazing and capable in terms of optimization, design capabilities, and everyone getting the limitless possibilities of building their dream websites with the help of Elementor containers. It's so cool, right? But what do you do if you have already built a website or a page with Elementor sections and you want to move forward with Elementor containers? How do you convert your old websites built with sections into Elementor containers? It's pretty straightforward. It won't require you a lot of work and you'll have to keep the same design without changing anything. And let me show you how you can convert your pages designed with Elementor sections into Elementor containers and move forward with your website from that point. So let's get started. Now, in order to start converting your normal page which is built with sections into containers, let me show you an example. So here I have a page which is completely built with Elementor sections. Let me show you. Now here you can see that if you select here, click on here, it says edit section, and if you are on the widget panel, you can literally add inner section. So that means the whole page is built with sections and inner sections and other type of elements apart from containers. Now you don't need to literally rework or redo all of your page if you want to go with the containers. It's a very simple trick or simple thing to do, so you can easily convert your page from sections to containers. So before even starting, first of all you need to enable the containers feature, and that is going to be inside the Elementor settings. So we need to go back to the dashboard. That's it. So we need to go to the dashboard, hover on Elementor, click on settings, and after that click on features. Inside the features you'll be seeing a lot of the features which are not activated by default, but you can manually make them active. So this one is the Flexbox container. From here you can easily activate the container feature, click on active, and from scroll down you can click on save changes. Now this is activated on your website. The new pages, the fresh pages which you are going to create is going to be inside Elementor containers, but the existing ones which are published, they are still in Elementor sections and you can convert them easily. All you have to do is go back to your pages. This is the page I was trying to convert. I'll click on edit with Elementor, and then you can see, if you can see on the left panel, it says container. If I want to add something to the page, I cannot add a section anymore. I'll have to work with the containers, but the existing content is already in sections. How do you convert that? All you have to do is click on this gear icon or click on settings, which will reveal the page settings, and on the top you can see convert to container. Now this convert to container feature will actually duplicate all of the sections right below each, and then you can see if they are good, and then you can move ahead with it. So if you click on convert, you'll see it will take a little bit of time, and then the scroll bar is going to be increased because the page content is doubled. So you can see here we have this section. This was built with Elementor sections. This is built with Elementor containers. See, you can see the layout of it. There is a sub container, then the primary, then the other one, and then we have the biggest container. So it's all built with containers. Now, in order to fix all these, all you have to do is work with some of the spacing and adjust your content accordingly how you want it, and then you're good to go. So for example, for this first section, you can see there is some spacing involved. You can see in the previous one, which we didn't had any spacing at all, but here we have some spacing, and for that to solve it, all you have to do is go to the advanced tab, remove the spacing from all of the elements, and if you go ahead and do it for all of it, you can see the spacing is going to be removed. And the same goes for the primary element. I'm going to the advanced tab and making sure the padding is completely 0, because here if you can see it is touching the top of the page, and all of the other images, they're pretty close. So I'm going to make sure that there is no padding added, because if you're trying to add an element to a column or a container, by default Elementor adds a 10 pixel padding to it, and this is how it works. And from here I cannot select the other container. It's because of this one is right here, layout. So I'm going to remove the gap between elements, so the gap is also being closed down. So you can see it is adjusted. Now I'm good to go. So I'm going to delete the first one, which is the section, and I'll leave the container element. The same goes for all of it. You can see All I have to do is just work with some spacing, and the rest of the content is going to be perfectly fine. So this is the second section. Then this is the third one. It's the section, and I'm deleting each and every section which was previously added, and now we have containers. All you have to do is just work with the paddings, adjust the spacing of the widgets or the elements you have added on the page in the previous sections mode. Now in the containers, even if you look at here, all I have to do is just remove the paddings. That's it, and it's going to be perfectly fine. That's it. So this is how it works, and this is how easy it is to convert your page from sections to Elementor containers. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye bye.